Class 6 subject of mathematics. Today's topic is practical expressions. Practical expression. Question number 1. Exercise 9.4. Exercise 9.4. Take Sarita's present age to be y years. After 5 years, what is the Sarita's age from now? After 5 years, what is the present age of Sarita? Sarita's present age is y years, it is given. Sarita's most y years, it is given. It says this. After 5 years, 5 years, क्या है तब age? 5 पे का संगत add. So after 5 years from now, Sarita's age will be y plus 5. So our expression becomes y plus 5. Y plus 5. After 5 years, Sarita's age becomes y plus 5 years. Part number B. Present age of Sarita is y. Her age 3 years before. Her age 3 years before. What is her age 3 years before 3 years? We know that Sarita's present age be y years. So her age 3 years back. 3 years back will be y minus 3. Our answer becomes y minus 3. Yani 3 vari path kya hai Sarita's age? Sarita's age is y minus 3. Or number C. Sarita's present age is y years. Sarita's grandfather's age is 6 times Sarita's age. So Sarita's grandfather's age becomes 6 into y, it becomes 6y. Then Sarita's grandfather's age is 6y. So answer by 6y. Sarita's present age is given y years. Grandmother of Sarita is 2 years younger than grandfather. Grandmother is very young. Grandfather is. So what is the age of grandfather? We know that Sarita's age is y years and grandmother is 2 years younger than grandfather. Grandfather is 6 times 6y and 6 times y. Yeah, 6 times present age of Sarita. So grandmother's age becomes 6y minus 2. 6y minus 2. So answer will 6y minus 2. Part E. Sarita's age be y years. What is the Sarita? If Sarita's father's age is 5 years more than 3 times Sarita's age, what is her father's age? We know that Sarita's age is y years. After 5 years, Sarita's age becomes y plus 5. So Sarita's father's is 5 years more than, is 3 times Sarita's age. Sarita's age y and 3 times Sarita's age, 3 times y. So father's age becomes then 3y plus 5. We are showing expression by 3y plus 5. इधर कौन चाहिए A part, B part, C part, D part, तो E part. इनका एक सारी part इस पर ना exercise 9.4 इख्तिताम part first ऐसा वाला. Present age of Sarita is y. What is her? What is Sarita's present age after 5 years? After 5 years, Sarita's age becomes y plus 5. Beki judge mana Sarita's present age is y years. 3 years back, क्या है इमस's age? Her age 3 years back is equal to y minus 3 years. Sarita's age beki judge y years. Sarita's grandfather's mana 6 times Sarita's age. So Sarita's grandfather's age is 6 into y. This becomes 6y. Sarita's present age is y years. Grandmother is 2 years younger than grandfather. What is the grandmother's age? If Sarita's age y years, grandmother should 2 years younger. But 2 times y. Grandmother is 2 years younger than grandfather. Grandfather is 6y. 2 years younger go. Therefore, grandmother's age becomes 6y minus 2. And grandfather's age minus go 2. Was 6y minus 2. Sarita's age y years. Sarita's father's age 5 years more than 3 times Sarita's age. Sarita's age 3 y is more than 3 times go 3y. There goes more than 5, go 3y plus 5. So father's age of Sarita is equal to 3y plus 5. This is all about today's topic. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.